The purpose of aftershave gel is to prevent razor burns, irritation and rashes. Gel moisturizes the skin after shaving and is suitable for oily skin because it is designed to not clog pores. Choose an aftershave gel with the best scent. The scent should complement your aftershave or cologne or be perfume-free. Alternatively, choose an aftershave gel with the same scent as other products that you use in the same product line, such as aftershave or cologne. Aftershave gel should protect the skin and not produce a noticeable scent on its own. If you have sensitive skin, it is best to purchase perfume and color-free gel to prevent irritation. Aftershave gel containing alcohol can also irritate sensitive skin and be very drying, so choose gel that contains natural ingredients that are kinder to skin. The best aftershave gel should provide comfort and relief after shaving and not feel painful when applied like aftershave can. It should be gentle and not cause soreness, redness or blotchiness. The best gel will contain moisturizing and conditioning ingredients such as lanolin, vitamin E, glycerin and aloe. Check that some or all of these ingredients are present by reading the product description. An aftershave gel that delivers nutrients like vitamin C or avocado oil helps to keep skin healthy and retain a youthful complexion. Do not be afraid to try a product with more unusual ingredients such as Irish moss extract, as this is known to reduce redness. Antiseptic ingredients like tea tree oil, aloe or witch hazel help to prevent infection and to heal any cuts or acne spots. A smooth consistency for easy application is important when choosing the best gel. It should absorb into the skin easily without excess rubbing and not make the skin look greasy or shiny. Gel should hydrate your skin before and after shaving. If used before shaving, it should not make shaving difficult. Gain an idea of popular brands by asking friends or in your local drugstore and purchase the best product you can within your price range.